Here today with total experience, learning, and getting to start the mural under Route 10. We're learning here that taking things in nature and bringing it to life within our classroom. We have things outside of our buildings and turn them into items in which we can learn from and grow from and make the classroom more inviting, more enjoyable to be around.
Just finished the fireside chat, and we were talking about experiences we've tried in the classroom so far, how we were engaging kids, how we were getting them to learn, feel confident in what teachers are doing outside the school and outside their classrooms, and bring the kids out and then bring all that content back in.
It's been overall a super great experience, a lot of different interesting perspectives for sure. For example, being in the museum, it's all different sorts of ways and outlets for people to get their hands on things and learn.
We were at Reading Public Water and we learned about sewage treatment, and it was really cool because it was a lot of things that I had no idea about.
Seeing the immense of the science part of it with the mixing of the chemicals and all of the formula to treat the water was great, so we could definitely bring that in there with our science unit.
It's just a great learning environment. We have high school teachers here, we have elementary school. We find we get every grade involved in sharing our stories and working outside. It's a good program. We've had a good time here and sharing all of our experiences, which is great.